Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix can't save GIF file from Adobe Photoshop if you create a long projects or many frames like in this video. Okay, now, let's go to save or export the project. It looks not very good. But we can change it to original option to make it look smooth. Then let's save the project. As you can see in the video now, I can't save my project cause my project is too long. So we fix it together. It's very easy. We just change the % of image size. Then it will work perfectly. And now, I will change it to 80%. But you can change to different number. It depend on your project. Okay, 80% still not working. So I will change it to 70%. Perfect. As you can see, now it works perfectly. So let's go to check the result. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure you click on the like button and subscribe this channel. We will see you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.